I want to take a look at FSR Fisker Inc. Kind of a nice day here. We did have this 2-day run on Fisker where we closed above the 50-day moving average in quite some time, realistically going back to the beginning of August. So we are almost on about a 2-month consolidation underneath the 50-day moving average. Anytime we are trading underneath the 50-day moving average, you always know that even though we do get dips and spikes and bounces, overall sentiment is always going to be more bearish than bullish when we're trading under the 50-day moving average. So just going back to Friday, we were able to get that reclaim. Thursday, we did retest the 50-day moving average, and Friday, we finally got that first close over the 50-day moving average. So a price that I'm looking at on Fisker is $15.31. That would sort of clear out all of the supply here. You can see this orange and yellow and double yellow line that we have here. We're looking at the 200 and the 100 moving average here. We need to clear out this supply before we really start to get more bullish on the stock. So if we do come up, kind of test these levels again, chop around, we are looking for that close over $15.30. As soon as we can get that close over $15.30, we are going to have room to stretch to $15.76. That is going to be the next area of supply. So if you're looking for a trade, there's a 50-cent possible move here as soon as we reclaim those next supply zones and get over that $15.30. That would be an all systems go, load up and get into a short-term trade on FSR. Whether you believe in the company long term, I'm not really speaking to anybody looking to invest 6 months, a year, 10 years down the road. I'm talking to all the short-term traders out there looking for a quick trade. So what we are looking for on this quick trade is a break of $15.31, and we are looking at an initial price target of $15.76. And obviously anything over $16 is extremely bullish to start getting back up here and testing this old resistance in some of these previous channels into the $17 range. I'm not saying that that's going to happen all in one shot. We do have to take some baby steps. What I'm looking for here on FSR is 1530, and I'm looking for that 50-cent move into 1574. A nice gap up here. We are above the 5, 10, 20 moving averages, and I love this close over the 50-day moving average. Another stock that I kind of want to take a look at here is Ride. This stock has been beaten up. I actually traded this stock in the beginning of the year, before the beginning of the year, when the stock was trading in the 20s, ran all the way up to $30.57. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a trend line here. You can see we came up, touched 30 once, 2 times, 3 times, and then this stock just completely got slammed. Really has not done anything all year. We did try to get this big pop up here going back to June, just rejected. I mean, the stock, the company, it really hasn't done anything. I'm not saying that this thing is going to pop, but you never know with the stocks in the IWM and the Russell. If they want to all make a move come this fourth quarter, this is a stock that could start to gain momentum with the retail traders. So I think that we have found this bottoming out here around $4.50 to $5 range. We really never made any new lower lows. I mean, how much lower can the stock go besides going to zero, right? So you can see here we touched $7.84 one time, and we touched it again on Friday 2 times. So anytime we get multiple touches is going to act as a level of resistance. You can see this channel here has been super, super tight, just about over a month now, realistically going about 2 months here, but super tight channel, not a lot of volume, nothing really going on with the stock. If you start to look over here, you got more volume here, a lot more active traders, and then the stock has kind of fizzled out and died out. Hasn't really done anything, but the retail interest can sort of start to pick up with that increase and spike in volume. So you just want to go ahead and keep an eye on that volume. We are looking to take out the $7.80 channel here, going back to 826. Realistically, don't want to really get too bullish until we clear out these last 2 levels of supply. That would be over $8.65. There is room for a possible trade here, short term, $8.65 into the 988. So just about over $1 move. And obviously anything over 1185 can really start to propel this stock back up to its greatness, if you want to call it that. But you know, just keep an eye on it. If you are into these little small cap stocks, you are into these little, you know, stocks that can give you that 25 cent, 50 cent, 75 cent push, you're not really looking to actively day trade something where you have to be in and out scalping, you know, big fast movers like Tesla or Amazon or Netflix or something like that. You kind of want to put your money into something, just kind of let it work for a little bit, a little short-term swing trade. This is something that might interest you over the $8.65 area. I really wouldn't want to jump into the trade here because as we can come into the $8.40, $8.50 area, we could get rejected and then come all the way back down here into the 7.6s. So let's just let this trade develop. Let's let it build. Let's let it get over $8 and over $8.65. And I believe anything over $8.65 is going to get that retail interest in here, take it back up into the 9s. I hope that helps, guys. If you stay to the end of this video, please do me a favor and like, comment, share, subscribe. Also join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below, as well as my website, kind of showing you guys how I find these particular stocks and use all of these supply and demand zones and these moving averages to find exciting and moving trades. If you're not looking for a strategy of your own and you just kind of want to have like a daily watch list of stocks that I think that are getting ready to either break out or break down, I also have an option there for my daily watch list. But until next time, guys, I will see you guys all on the next video.